Hello, I'm Nathaniel, and this is the Tenacious conversion engine demo. I'll show you a synthetic prospect from end to end. So for the outbound email, yeah. So it finished executing and returned an error. Bench to brief gate failed for outbound email. Do not commit Tenacious capacity until the bench summary shows matching capability. So what this tells us is the required stack is empty. So this will mean that almost no text stack / categories or titles match our benchmark keywords. So this company is not categorized as a fit for us, but if we run against this one, the Purecore one, we should get a different result. Yeah, so the outbound email, it finished executing for Purecore one. Yeah, so the outbound finished, and also we can see that the webhook was triggered. Say if we go to watch the webhook triggers in recent, yeah, we can see an email delivered event triggered just now. So yeah, if we go to our email, we can see that we have received a message. Yeah, like, it says it came across. We notice some like high indicators, and it's asking me if you could send over a short qualification brief. So I could reply saying, I would. In the meantime, we can see that the prospect at Purecore email is created under contacts today, a few minutes ago. Yeah, so from the email I responded with, so yeah, there's an email sent event that was triggered, and after our LLM processed it, there's a new email sent to us, as we can see with the email.delivered event. And yeah, as you can see, yeah, thanks for asking for a brief, and yeah, it's some data, and it's asking us to send role, seniority, mix, time zone, overlap, and target start date. So I can reply, I want AI engineers so yeah, I sent it this email, and in the meantime we can check the SMS hot lead response. We will take the thread ID from our conversation and go here. So yeah, we can start the short code. So the same phone number that I used to log in, I can send a request. It's making a request via the HubSpot MCP server. It's registered. Yeah, so we got a success response with a message it generated. There was a few runs. We also have like the cost breakdown, the status and everything. As you can see, yeah, it says thanks for reaching out about the engineering hire, blah blah blah. So it does respond once it knows that this is a warm lead. And if we get back to our email, uh, uh, with everything that we told him, there's a like it's asking us what type of AI engineers, like data infrastructure, ML, and also any hard constraints on time zones, overlap, and start date. No, it also gives us this booking link, which we can use to book. So we did book, and we can check it when we go to our local host. We under bookings. Yeah. Yeah, booking engineer meeting. There has been like a 50-minute event schedule. So yeah, based on this, you can see the outbound reach email and also for the warm lead SMS hook. One thing on the original outbound email, there are the segment confidence score which was generated, and also the AI maturity score, which is the hiring signal brief, and also we have the competitor gap brief. So yeah, this is the competitor gap brief. It names top quartile peers and list specific practices those peers show public signal for, and where the prospect lags. So yeah, every like competitor analyzed the metadata can be found here. So yeah, to recap, so wanted synthetic prospects moved end to end, outbound email, reply qualification artifacts, spots. We also saw the SMS route and account booking.